Okay, I was just on a trip to Niagara Falls. Got some packages while I was gone. Bow stuff. Some stainless steel half outserts. 150 grain tips. Three Rivers signature traditional only iron oaks. Cut to my special length. I bought 6 of these a month ago. Lost 3 of them so far. They shoot amazing. And I've got a new bow that hopefully they'll shoot even better with. Bear Archery Super Grizz recurve. This thing looks great. No freaking way, dude. Look at this. Bro, what the fuck? No way. That feels so good. It's already got very nice fuzz and padding on the rest. Here we go. God damn. Alright, mate. What? I can't even draw it back, dude. Dude, that feels insane. Bro, that feels so good. Before we shoot, I'm gonna add a knock. I have some otter fur string silencers I'm gonna throw in the string, and then also put some pads where the string hits the recurved part of the limbs. I got my square, I'm bringing it down to the rest, and then I'm gonna put this 5/8 above 0. Hell yeah, that's a good one. I'm gonna come in 8 inches from my loop and split the string by untwisting it, getting it even. This one's colored so I can tell. Do 2 loops through that section of the string you open, twist it back tight, and then we'll wrap it. Get close to the end, untwist the string, split it. Feed that through twice. This thing's ready for a shot, man. Let's go. First shot with the Super Grizzly. This is gonna be badass. Shot that one like 3 foot in front of the target. Same with that one. Garbage. And my first shot was actually insane. Let's see if I can get all 3 on the target this time. Fuck yeah. Much better, mate.